to be careful to time, eh? But you see how he's doing the hunting, eh? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Hola. Ow. Yeah. Yeah.
Where is the lion?
Yeah.
Oh, he's hidden.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Hola. Ow. Hola. Ow. Yeah. Yeah.
Like they're going for a count. They're walking in order.
Know that it is very cool for the herbivores or for the predators.
So they are moving to a certain location.
Yeah, they may eventually choose either to go up beyond those hills where there will be lesser predators, unlike where they'll be here in the field.
Walking into the entrance at the Olare Mara Kempinski. Olare Mara Kempinski is one of the few camps, I think there are 5 camps at the Olare Conservancy in Masai Mara. These include the Richard and a few others, meaning that this area is not very over-exploited. But anyway, this is the entrance. Beautiful. Look at that. The artifacts just reflecting the expectation in a place like that. Very interesting rustic seats at the entrance. Look at the artifacts. That woman with a big headgear. Very interesting. When you come to some comfortable sitting, but the pictures show you the animals that you expect to see at this Olare Mara Conservancy in Masai Mara. This is the Kempinski. Then you see some of the beautiful things here. Of course, the lions. This is a place where you see as many lions as I've ever seen, and in the closest manner possible. They have this Leamington typewriter of hundreds of years ago. This one is a bit aggressive, eh? Oh, it's not. It's just going about its business.
who are normally aggressive, is it male or female?
The females, because of their young, very protective. For the males, it's when they are what we call the mast season. The mast is when they are ready to mate, so they produce a great secretion, which will make his testosterone level shoot. That's making him very aggressive.
So like now this female with
All relaxed. I only identify them with their ears. They're finding their ears, so we're cooling down. But if they want to shoot,
that is a, yeah, it looks big. They eat, you said they eat?
150 kilos a day.
Each 150 kilos per elephant. That is, and then they spend, you said they spend how much time eating? So they can't sleep as much as the lions, eh?
Because they, like us human beings, when you eat everything on salad, they used to be really fast. But for the lions, they feed on meat. It's protein, so they break down slowly. So they need to sleep. They don't start up. So
Yeah, they just clean us. Okay. Breakfasting by the river Dieke at the Mara, Olare. We start with the fruits.
Kweli umepanda mingi. Kuna watu wengine wanapandanga kijiko kushika shida.
Today is January 2nd, 2023, and I'm just so happy for this opportunity to plant a tree at the Olare Mara Kempinski at the Masai Mara. It is part of a bigger project for conservation, and where they're encouraging visitors to plant trees so that they can contribute to the reforestation of this area. This tree is just outside my tent. This is a tent where we spent our New Year holidays, where we jumped the year from the 2022 to 2023. And I'm so thankful, and I just pray that this tree will be very successful, will grow successfully, and come to provide the shade required in this area. So thank you very much. It's a great pleasure, and Happy New Year. This is a great start of the new year, 2023, and we thank God for the blessings, for the opportunity to even be in such a wonderful place as Olare Mara Kempinski for these holidays. Asante sana, team Olare.